There's one final thing we're going to take a look at in section 1.2, and we're going to call these SAT functions. And this is not really an official name. Mrs. Eburn and I just decided that would kind of make sense because these are the types of functions that might show up on the SAT exam, or you might have already seen on the PSAT exam. I think these are going to look rather complicated, but hopefully by the time we're done with this video, you're going to realize they're actually not a big deal at all. Take a moment and read through that first example. Have you ever seen that diamond thing before in math class? I'm assuming your answer is no. You know why you haven't seen that diamond thing before in math class? Because the SAT exam just made up this diamond as some sort of mathematical operation. Here's what this means. A diamond C means the formula 6A plus C over 2. For example, 3 diamond 2 equals 10, negative 3 diamond 4 equals negative 7. All this is saying is whatever number comes before the diamond is an A value. Whatever number comes after the diamond is a C value. And where is this coming from? It's coming from plugging those values. Let me zoom in a little bit, sorry. Plugging those values into this function over here. If I want to do the problem 3 diamond 2, sorry, that's not a great looking diamond, but we would do the problem 6 times 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Well, that's 18 plus 2 divided by 2. That's 20 divided by 2. That's 10. What about the problem negative 3 diamond 4? Well, if I want to do that, I would plug in negative 3 where the A is, 4 where the C is. And I'm going to get 6 times negative 3 plus 4 divided by 2. That's negative 18 plus 4 divided by 2. Negative 14 divided by 2. Yep, that's that negative 7 that they told us it was. I don't think this makes any sense whatsoever without this work, but that work is where those numbers are coming from. You've never seen a diamond before in math because they just made up that symbol. And if they make up the symbol, they also have to give you the formula that that symbol is going to mean. The way this symbol is working is there's a number before the symbol and a number after the symbol. The number before the symbol gets plugged in for the A, the number after gets plugged in for the C. With that in mind, try 7 diamond 10. What is 7 diamond 10? Well, I want to do 6 times 7 plus 10 divided by 2. That's 42 plus 10 divided by 2, or 52 divided by 2. I am thinking 26 for that answer. Do the next one. Tell me negative 8 diamond negative 2. What's negative 8 diamond negative 2? 6 times negative 8 plus negative 2 divided by 2. That's going to give me negative 48 plus negative 2 divided by 2. Negative 50 divided by 2. How about negative 25? Letter C. Is the diamond operation commutative? Commutative means, well, actually, let me give you an example of commutative. Addition is a commutative operation because 1 plus 4 equals 4 plus 1. We can switch the order of the numbers and it doesn't change the answer. Subtraction is not commutative because 1 minus 4 is not the same as 4 minus 1. Addition is commutative because you can switch the order. Subtraction is not commutative. Is the diamond commutative? So what I'm asking there is will 2 diamond 3 give us the same answer as 3 diamond 2? I just made up some numbers here, but in general, will the order matter? Is the diamond commutative? Why or why not? It's not commutative. Why is it not commutative? Well, because the number that comes first gets multiplied by 6. The number that comes second doesn't. So it matters if you multiply the 2 by 6 or if you multiply 3 by 6. not commutative. Why? Because the first number gets multiplied by 6. The second number doesn't. Will your answers always be integers? Will we always get a nice number answer? Or could we get like fractions or decimals? What do you think? Well, I definitely think we could get some decimals. I think if we plugged in something like, I don't know, 4 diamond, some sort of odd number, 4 diamond 5, that's going to give us 6 times 4 plus 5 divided by 2. This top thing is not going to be an even number. I'm going to get 24 plus 5 divided by 2, 29 divided by 2. That is not an integer. As long as the C value is an odd number, you will not get an integer solution. Okay, new SAT function. Let's take a look at this next example. I'm defining the triangle, M triangle N, by the formula, M triangle N is M squared minus N plus 1 over Mn. Tell me what 3 triangle 1 is. It's a multiple choice answer, so when you're done, you're going to submit either the letter A, B, C, D, or E to Edpuzzle. 3 triangle 1. Well, 3 triangle 1 should be, let's see, 3 is the M, 1 is the N, so I'm going to get 3 squared minus 1 plus 1 over 3 times 1. That's 9 minus 1 plus 1 over 3. That is 9 over 3. I'm getting 3. Hopefully you submitted B. Last SAT function, and then you'll see a couple more in the homework. This not quite closed box, A, B, C, D, means this formula. See what you can do with that last example. What is this thing? Well, A is 2, B is 3, C is 6, D is 4. I'm going to get 2 times 4 plus 3 times 6. I'm getting 8 plus 18. I'm getting 26. I can just about guarantee that you will see things like this on the SAT exam. Don't panic when you see them. They don't expect that you've seen those symbols before. They're going to give you a formula, and all you have to do is plug your numbers into that formula. That's it.